That's probably that's probably the only
way.
reason you bought the car is because of the seat space.
No, when we went.
Berry Terry?
Grary, did you say Grary?
No, I said Berry Terry, my guy.
Grary Terry.
EJ, no, you know.
Must be Terry Berry.
You mean middle when we always get pinned down?
Yep.
Alright. The first round was terrible. I literally only got 1 kill and our team was pinned down for the entire game. Let's just say the next game gets pretty good. I got one. Oh shoot, that's light, that's light. Hey, that guy that went made it safely. I think you can too. Let's just both rush at the same time, all right? Hey Jerko, I got your right side, alright?
Hey, watch out!
Got him, got him. No, 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 no. Woo. Friendly. Bit probably.
Shot me.
That was him. Friendly, friendly. In this game mode, it's civilians versus terrorists, but the civilians don't know I'm a terrorist, so it's about to get interesting. Hey, am I recording?
No, you're not.
What?
Yes.
What? Okay. Are we good? Are we good? Sorry, man. What?
That's what you want?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'll shoot you. That was him.
Huh?
What?
I did not mean to shoot you.
He literally aimed at him.
No, no, I pointed to the ground.
Oh, I think safety's on.